let's take a video on relationship relationship between accounts and economics, between accounts and economics. Now, basically, accounts and economics mainly deals with most of the part of supply and demand part, demand and supply, of the products, right? For example, if the demand of the product is of 1000, and if the supply is short, that is 500, then there will be the part of pricing issue. And here the pricing issue comes: what kind of pricing model you have to fix in order to gain more profit, or more profit in this area. And how much price if you will increase. For example, the product is of rupees 10 when the supply is of 500 and the demand is of 1000. If we increase the product price to 15, then the supply would be 500 only, but the demand will go to 500. So this is one case. If we keep uh, price is rupees 18, then the supply is 500, but the demand might go to 300, and there will be 200 loss of demand, a loss, or the inventory will be stocked, right? If the price will be 14, then the supply will be same, but but the demand in the market would become 600. So there is 100 short to the product, right? So basically, what is the win-win situation that is need to be calculated. So when the win-win situation is to be decided, accounting techniques come into existence, where the pricing models are discussed. And as far as the Indian economy is concerned, uh, see, these are interlinked. uh, so we have decided this technique is also there. Then the petrol pricing issues are there, where the accounting and economics play a vital role, because in accounting techniques there is nothing but the taxation, and in economics there is a world market prices of the crude oil. So here also the petrol pricing issue is there. Then what we calculate is the GPA of the um, gross product, world, the India's GP is calculated. What kind of progress is going on? Gross product index, what you say, every year, 4.0 GPA, that was in Congress government, and 6.0 came in the BJP government. So this was the India's growth in index. So every year the GPA is calculated, how much this the country is growing. So here economics and accounts, they intermingle. They have got the relation. With the help of both the things only you can calculate. So basically, to keep inflation rate also, inflation is nothing but what we call as महंगाई. So this is that is very important to to control the inflation. You should understand accounts also. When the accounts is understood, the inflation can be reduced. So it is better to have the accountant as economist also, because it will be able to take a few good decisions. uh, Here the businessmen also relate economics to accounts, now you tell how. For example, we if the company has to purchase the land, say for example in Pune city, right? Now the rate is 4000 rupees square feet rate is going on, and is going on in, say for example, as Hinjawadi area. And what would the further there is a possibility that the MIDC would be set up in this area, and the land prices which is at 4000 rupees square feet might go to 6000 rupees square feet. So by calculating with the help of accounting and economics, the business succeeds. So always the economics and accounts people have gone hand in hand in order to relate this. Thank you so much. Hope you understood what is the relation between account